Ever wondered how an ordinary individual turned into a business legend? Today, we dive into the captivating journey of Sundar Pichai, the man behind Google's success. Born and raised in a small town in India, Sundar Pichai's story is one of inspiration and perseverance. From a young age, Sundar's passion for technology ignited his drive to create something extraordinary. His journey started with a scholarship to Stanford University, where he pursued his dreams. After completing his studies, Sundar embarked on a remarkable path that would lead him to the heart of Silicon Valley. His exceptional talent caught the attention of Google's founders Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Sundar quickly made his mark at Google, overseeing some of the company's most significant projects and playing a crucial role in the development of groundbreaking technologies. Recognized for his strategic vision and remarkable leadership skills, Sundar Pichai rose through the ranks, eventually becoming the CEO of Google. Under his guidance, Google has expanded its horizons, embracing innovation and driving forward-thinking initiatives. Sundar Pichai's journey is a testament to the power of determination and hard work. So, the next time you think about the incredible success of Google, remember the extraordinary journey of Sundar Pichai, a true inspiration for aspiring entrepreneurs worldwide. Dream big, work hard, and let your passion guide you towards greatness. Stay tuned for more captivating stories on our page, dedicated to unraveling the secrets of business legends.